The richest inheritance you can give your child isn't wealth, it's audacity. Think about it. Parents kill their kids' dream before the world even have the chance to. They tell them to be realistic, to play it safe, to follow the rules. They wonder why their kids are growing up scared, broke, and settling. You can hand your child money, but if they don't have audacity, they're gonna spend their whole life asking for permission. But if you give them audacity, they will walk into rooms they weren't even invited to, build wealth from nothing, and live a life money alone could never buy. Audacity is the belief that I deserve more, I can take more, and I create more. And that belief is more powerful than any trust fund.